over here you can see that I have a bunch of objects right here, and if I were to go around and click and drag this around over here, then you can see that I have these shapes right here. And out of these shapes I can go around, click and drag, and bring in another shape right here. And you even have connection points right here, so you can go around over here and you can see that there's these connection points where I can attach out this shape's let's say the connection line right here to the other shape. But if you don't want that anymore, then you can disable that as well. Let's say, for example, I want to disable out the connection point for this particular shape. Then I can go around onto view right here and then disable the connection point. So once I do that, now you don't see the connection points anymore. You don't have those exact points, and you can go around and connect it out anywhere right here, as you can see. You can also go around and disable out this right here. That is, you can disable out the connection arrows so that it won't show up right here. So you purely are focusing on like rearranging out the shapes right here, just like this. You can go around, select it, and delete it, and so forth right here. To get it back, you can go back to view right here, enable out the connection point and the arrows right here, just like this, and you get it back, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can enable and disable connection points and arrows inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.